Okay, so I wanted to record this for you all because I got a student that is having some trouble with it. So when you have a base to a power, okay, so this is a little different. Like, what if our original function was y equals 7 to the x power, okay, and we need to take the derivative of that, okay? Well, my rule right here says to take the natural log of that base, so natural log of 7 in this case, and then just basically copy paste what the original was, okay? So this one, natural log of the base, and then 7 to the x power, okay, and leave it just like that if you need to. So on something like this, you're probably completely freaking out because, I mean, it looks horrible. But just let's read it. I read it to myself. I was writing it down. X to the 7th times. I've heard that word before. Times 5.6 to the x power. So it looks like I'm going to have something times something, which that's a product rule. I'm completely comfortable with that. And I'll just have to take the derivative of this guy, and it will make me a little bit uncomfortable, but I have the rule for it right here, so I shouldn't be uncomfortable. So let's see. Let me change my color there. G prime of x will be, okay, so first times the derivative of the second. Okay, so my first function was x to the 7th. The derivative of the second, okay, is, so natural log of, okay, so if you have a base to a power, which that's what we have right here, 5.6 to a power, you take the natural log of the base and then multiply it by what the original thing was, okay? So natural log of 5.6 multiplied by what the original thing was. Okay, ugly as can be, but I mean, I followed the rule. Okay, first derivative of the second derivative of the first. Okay, and let's see. Leave it like that for all I care. Okay, you could factor out a GCF, but I'm not worried about it. So same rule. You have a number as your base to a power. The only thing that's different this time is that the power, it's not just 11 to the x, it's 11 to the x to the 7th plus 4. So once we apply this rule, I need to then take the derivative of the inside. So y prime, it says it's going to be the natural log of the base, so the natural log of 11. And then you need to basically just write down what your original problem was. So let's write that down. And one more step for this one, because that 11 to the power, that power was not just x, it was x to the 7th plus 4. You need to multiply by the derivative of that x to the 7th plus 4, which is 7x to the 6th.